Myself Hemant Vashisht. Today I and my groupmates going to explain the topic of breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is the feeding of an infant or young child with breast milk directly from the female breast while lactation, rather than using infant formula from a baby bottle or container. Babies have sucking reflex that enables them to suck and swallow milk. Experts recommend that children be breastfed within 1 hour of birth, exclusively breastfed for the first 6 months and the breast until age 2. Now, my groupmate will continue.
Physiology. On the basis of physiology, lactation is divided into 4 phases. That is preparation of breast, that is mammogenesis, synthesis and secretion from the breast, that is lactogenesis, ejection of milk, that is galactokinesis, and maintenance of lactopoiesis. In mammogenesis, the development of mammary glands will happen. In lactogenesis, it begins when estrogen and progesterone are withdrawn. Prolactin begins its milk secretory in this phase. In galactokinesis, we can see the discharge of milk from the mammary gland.
When a baby sucks mother's nipple, it immediately sends signal to the hypothalamus of the brain, and hypothalamus will activate paraventricular nuclei, and in which the pituitary gland will be activated, the anterior and posterior pituitary, and anterior pituitary will activate the prolactin and posterior pituitary will activate the oxytocin. Now the function of prolactin is milk production and the oxytocin will be milk ejaculation. This called process is galactopoiesis. Galactopoiesis, in which prolactin appears to be the single most important galactopoietic hormone, and the maintenance of the effective and continuous lactation. Sucking is essential in it. Now milk production, a healthy woman may produce about 500 to 800 ml of the day milk to feed her infant with about 500 kilocalorie per day. Reflexes of the body is the rooting reflex, the sucking reflex, and the swelling reflex.
Factors which lessens the milk production includes the dummy, pacifiers and bottle, making the baby wait for the feeding, giving feeds to the baby like sugar, water, grip water and breast milk substituent, certain kind of medication of mother and painful breast condition. Metclopramide about 10 mg thrice a day should be given for increasing the milk production. Composition of breastfeeding include the colostrum. It is a secretion from the breast. It is deep yellow in color with alkaline in nature and high content of protein, less content of fat. The second one is the transitional milk. After 2 weeks, we will see there will be increase in the production of the milk. Its quantity and change in appearance and composition of milk. The mature milk, it replaces the transitional milk after 2 weeks.
Difference between cow's milk and breast milk. Both contain equal amount of water and energy. Protein is more in cow's milk because it contains more amount of casein, where as compared to breast milk. Breast milk has more amount of carbohydrate because lactose is 7% in breast milk and in cow's milk is 4.5%. Fat is equal in both cow's milk and breast milk. Minerals is more in cow's milk, but there is deficiency of iron and copper. Vitamins, vitamin A is in large amount in both cow's milk and breast milk, but there is deficiency of vitamin C and D in cow's milk and deficiency of vitamin D in human or breast milk. Thank you.
First of all, initiation. Generally, breastfeeding should be started within half an hour of birth as soon as possible after normal delivery, whereas in case of cesarean section delivery, it should be within 4 hours. Then position of baby during breastfeeding. First of all, baby's head and body should be straight. Baby's body should touch mother's abdomen. Then baby's body should be turned towards mother. Nose should be opposite to nipple. Then mother should support her breast with her fingers flat against her chest wall under breast. Then generally, there are 3 positions which are cradle hold, that is tummy to tummy, then football hold, and third one is sideline position.
The advantages of breastfeeding: there is 2 types, maternal and fetal. Maternal, reduce risk of the breast cancer, diabetes, hypertension and heart disease. They promote the postpartum weight loss and emotional health and emotional support and bonding, delayed evolution. And fetal meets the full nutrients requirement in infants, reduce the risk of infectious disease and illness, lower the risk of developing of allergy, and lower the risk of SIDS. Immunity during breastfeeding, approximately 0.5 to 0.5 gram per day of secret IgA antibodies is passed to the baby via milk, and main target of these antibodies is microorganism in the fetus.
Contraindications of the breastfeeding. In mothers, the chronic disease such as the active TB, leprosy, AIDS, etc. The mothers addicted to the alcohol or heavy doses of some drugs. Mother taking any medications, psychosis, local conditions like breast abscesses and cracked nipples. In infant, the gross prematurity of baby or other conditions in which the newborn cannot suck properly. Inborn errors such as the phenylketonuria, lactose intolerance and galactosemia.
Commonly mistaken as the contraindications are the following. Women who have cesarean deliveries initiate breastfeeding immediately using the semi-recumbent position on the side or sitting up. Women received vaccinations or live with the vaccinated children, neither inactivated nor live vaccines administered to the lactating woman or other family members, affecting the safely the breastfeeding for the mother and infant. Women who have medications, most medications can be taken while breastfeeding.
Commonly mistaken contraindications are women who have hepatitis A initiate breastfeeding after infant receive immune serum globin and vaccinate at 1 year of age. Women who have hepatitis B initiate breastfeeding after receive hepatitis B immunoglobulin and first dose of 3-dose hepatitis B vaccine series. Women who have hepatitis C is not a contraindication for breastfeeding, but reconsider if nipples are cracked or bleeding. Women who have pierced nipple remove accessories before feeding to avoid the risk of infant choking.
Blessed in nipple discharge. In this condition, the first point is typical bilateral, and the second point is due to epithelial proliferation, and the third point is the second and third month of pregnancy and less than 3 months of postpartum, and the last point is the self-limiting, no treatment needed.
Painful nipples caused by improper latching and positioning and candidiasis. Symptoms are swelling, hardness, warm and painful. Prevention are the early and frequent feeds. Second one, correct the position and attachment. Third one, express your milks when feeding are mixed. Treatment are the resting of the affected nipples and hand express some milk to allow for the early latching.
Problems in breastfeeding. Problems: blood-stained nipple discharge, painful nipple, breast enlargement, plug duct mastitis, blood-stained nipple discharge, typically bilateral due to epithelial proliferation, second and third of pregnancy and less than 3 months of postmortem, self-limiting, no treatment needed. Thank you.
Breast engorgement. If your baby does not adequately remove the milk from your breast, it may lead to the breast engorgement. It starts on second and third postpartum day. Causes are delayed or infrequent feeding, improper latching and positioning. Symptoms are swollen, red and painful breast. Preventions: early and frequent feeding, correct positioning and attachment, express your milk when feeding are mixed, and treatment is ice bags applied on breast massage and analgesics. Hand express some milk to allow frequent latching and positioning.
Mastitis. It is a phenomenon in which bacteria enter the breast through nipple and block the ducts. Blocked ducts then obstruct the flow of milk and distends the alveoli. It creates cracked or sore nipples. Symptoms. Symptoms will be painful red and swollen breasts, flu-like symptoms, tachycardia, pyrexia, rigors, intense localized pain, red, hot and swollen breast. Treatment. isolation of mother and baby, seizing the breastfeeding from the affected part, express the milk manually or through electric pump. Antibiotics such as flucloxacillin can be used. At last, I want to say, breastfeeding is a mother's gift to herself, her baby, and the earth. Stay home, stay safe.